Hindi pala yung mga malalakas.
Umulan, maubos yan. Lalaro naman kayo sa ulan.
Sila?
Sila!
Sila? Mama, masira light tayo? Ma, sira labot?
Sira yan.
Opo. Ma, sira lubid labay? Ma,
Di mo na binibitawan to ng pag nag-red na, talagang drain na, bago mo bitawan na. Ano mo lang? Tinola. Tinola. Tinola ulam mo, be?
Tinolang. Tinolang.
Papa.
Ito, mama.
Yes.
Yan. Na, tinulak. Oo, tinulak.
Oh. Hello. Uy. Makalumang yan logo. Kikita yung e-bills ko. Kalumang logo yan Good morning. Kain na. Nagluto ako ng tinola. Bigat na yung aking tindahan. Please feed me. Let's kind of it as you can. Love si Rhea. Kain na!
Mama.
Yan. Tinola.
Yan, ulam bi, tinola.
Tinola.
Gusto mo na?
Sitan mo.
Masarap yan din, may sabaw.
Tumatok ka dyan.
Tiny. May ganito ka bang logo? Asan? Wala akong ganyan. Hindi pa ako Yahoo nung may ganyang logo sila. Yung isang parang ganyan din ang logo. Yan, doon ako nag-umpisa. Ano, yan na ulam mo, be? Tinola? Mamaya po.
Let's see what we can buy over in the tool store. With some of the money that we've already been like silver slot club. Don't mind if I do. So let's see the difference between the normal slab and the silver slab. Okay guys, I want to take this one right here. Let me take it. What about this one? I'm still in a shark. And I'm so slow.
Hi, Mary. Good morning. Sama tayo dyan noon, Ate Mar. May ganyan ba? Iba yung logo ko dati Hindi pa ganyan. Pero si Tay KPTV din gumawa nun. Yung isang naunang ginamit ko. Ganda ng thumbnail. Cute, diba? Kahit sa cartoon, taba talaga ako. JM? Oo, meron pa niyan. Wala na sa akin. Puro kay Ate Kate na gawa ang gamit ko. will look in your eyes. Kain na, Bi. Hindi ka pa hungry? Himala. Hindi ka pa hungry? Ha? Hindi pa? Himala. Mukhang tulog ang mga bulati mo ngayon, ah. Tulog yung snake sa tiyan mo? Hindi pa. Cold? Ay, naku. Tagal na yan. Tagal na yan, yung kilite. Ay, hindi ba yung kilite?
Diablo ang pangalan.
No way, Tyler. I was like stalking everyone that was chasing you.
It's crazy. Okay, let's look at it. I like just going like the best fishing you target out.
What did I do to make you change my life?
Mama,
I have $360
And I'm so...
mythic fish over here. This is insane, Zoe.
Balot pa akong pulburon. Hindi ko natapos yung pulburon ko kagabi kasi naubusan ako ng cream. Oh.
See this collection. They have the train.
Ay, mo ka kumain, Le?
The train was a sea monster. Zoe, there's people that might steal from the base. Everybody's outside of it.
Ito nga ulam, ha?
swat the flies. You're
Wala ulam, ha?
get out of here.
Eh,
Oh, my base is gonna open in 1 second. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
papatingin kita.
Good job, Tyler. Whoa, you got the collection in here.
Yeah, so you're burning my base. Obviously, what tools I can buy. $400. Oh wait, it says I need a reaper. How do I do that? Reaper. Smelly, it says I can't even reaper yet because I still haven't gotten a turtle, which is super common. Oh my gosh, that's how early we got these things.
Guys, these twins select the force field. I want egg. I can change to a toast and run Mama? I'm gonna go for the cedar. Please find the egg now.
There's tons of people trying to, it's open, it's open.
Oh, okay, I got the fish and it's open. I'm going for it. I'm running as fast as I can. No, I got slammed and there's something on my screen. This is chaos. Oh no, I was going to the wrong base anyway.
Kaya ba ng tinola?
Tinola?
Ha?
Glowing thing right here.
Ah, ba't ayaw mo tinola? Ito, ah. Tikman mo, dali. Kain tayo, guys. Tapos ka na ata sa gawain. Pakanta-kanta na lang. May babalutin pa nga ako. May pulburon pa ako dito. Baby ka? Baby ka? Sabi mo hindi ka na baby.
Alam ko big boy ka na.
Papakita kita? Bawal makita ang baby sa YouTube.
Diba?
Kung big boy ka na, pwede. Pero pag baby ka, hindi pwede.
Ay, baby pa pala si JM.
Ah, dali, tigman mo tong ulam, mama. Dali. Halika, dali. Ikaw, nabanlawan mo na ba yung labahin mo? Ha, kulit? O, be. Halika, tikman mo yung ulam. Tama na. Ano yung penguin? Ang pangit. Ano, penguin? Dali. O, si lion. Halika, dali, tikman mo yung ulam. At tinitong bunso ko sa ulam. Ah. Bangon na. Tikman mo, may pika niya na. Ngayon na nga, titikman mo nga. Marap ako.
Sugar cookies are way better than chocolate chips, Zoe.
No way, Tyler. Me and this
Mamaya ako niya.
cookies are the best
Wala talagang matatapos sa'yo, kulit.
Put the comments down below. Are you team chocolate chip cookie like Snowy or team sugar cookie like me?
Kain na, kain tayo.
Before nine. It starts by C here. That's why it's never going to leave my side.
Here, Team Chocolate Chip Cookie. This thing is making me so rich. I already have $6 billion. Before I have like zero.
Well, now I can buy this wormfish that I couldn't buy earlier. Ooh, and I can buy this one too.
Mamaya, tapos may magla-live na naman.
I'm gonna try to sell it. Yes, I got it. Okay,
Magpupurnada na naman yung labahin mo.
No, Snowy, I am taking it back.
May tayo ba?
Wormy.
What's it gonna with me?
Oo nga, hindi pala tayo.
Yes, come to my house, Mr. Worm. You say it is sweet time, Snowy, but yes.
Alam na alam mo ha.
I'm taking this watching this entire game.
Gawin mo na ngayon habang wala pang mga naka-live. Bahala ka, magtatag-ulan na, mahirapan ka na magsampay.
Paranoid. I can't even play the game for real anymore because I'm just guarding my base the entire
Gigi, labas ka na dyan.
time.
Wala siya dyan. Matulog ako. Ah, sige, matulog ka na.
So you can try to go for this one. And it looks like there's some pretty awesome stuff in it.
Sabihin mo kay Yumi. Yumi, gusto mo maglaro ng laba-labahan?
Whoa, Snowy, it says in 10 seconds it's gonna spawn a cosmic. They only spawn
Magiging mo.
hours, guys. Hopefully I can afford it when it spawns. Oh, here it is. Okay, give it to me, give it to me. Yes, I got it. Oh my god, it's walking to my base. It's walking to my base. Everybody get it. It's fine. That's the largest monster. Let's go.
Bibila ka ng ano.
Ito talagang dalawa eh. Asot po sa
Yeah, they're walking over to my
tinitira nito, Joy ko. Sabihin mo, gusto mo maglaro ng laba-labahan para pagising mo, isasampay ka na lang.
And what is this zone? Is it Cosmic Buzz? Is it Baja? Or is it Baja? This looks crazy.
Tyler, you definitely have the coolest face in this server.
Malapit lang dyan.
Tyler, that like the bigger the fish, the bigger the target.
There's probably something else I can use to defend my base. It's crazy out here.
Mga anak ko nakakulong lang sa bahay.
But check it out, you can get the giant slap hand and an RPG for robots.
Younger.
So I got the RPG. Yes, only with the biggest explosion can protect my big
Ay,
giant
kabot.
Oh yeah, I got the RPG. Nobody's gonna slap me
Younger.
around anymore.
So it says one thing in your rebirth is just a turtle. I need to get a turtle.
Ano?
Entire time I'm making billions of dollars, but I still haven't bought a turtle yet. Where's the turtle? So
Ano flavor ba?
I'm gonna find it before you, Tyler. There's trouble
Lahat,
there.
magnum lang wala.
Because he's cool. Trouble, get back.
Ha?
Infiltrate skill, Freddy, Tyler.
Oh, I got Trolero. Come on, Trolero.
Sabi, isa?
I'll buy you some new shoes.
Let's get to find Trouble there, and he's loyal.
Oh, sorry, you just exploded me away. What? This RPG is crazy. I'll get you back. I'll get you back with it.
No way, that was so awesome. Let's gonna go flying. Hey, Tyler, maybe we can get up on top of these roofs.
Dikit-dikit kasi bahay dito, mga tita-tito niya dito lang. Ah,
Stand still so I can get you.
Oh, what are you talking about? So you only get me. Oh,
ha?
I saw that coming and it hit me right in the face.
Ah, hide.
Looks like you protect yours and my
Good.
piece here.
See a turtle, let's go! Snowy, the turtle only costs $350. I bought like 1,000,000 turtles by now. But now we can rebirth. Let's
Okay na yun, maglaro siya sa ibang bahay, diyan sa kamag-anak niya.
Ooh, I can get a flip.
Kesa mag-cellphone na mag-cellphone. Tignan mo itong panganay ko.
I've been rebirthing like this entire time.
Ayaw lumalabas. Babad lagi sa cellphone.
And this should be fun.
Hey, Snowy, I have an idea. Let's let the base open up while we're on the roof, and then we should protect.
Ano? Kami sa Yellow Village malakas.
Okay, so in 1 minute, Steel's gonna open.
Mainit kasi. Kami din ngayon. Nakakailan kami yelo sa maghapon.
They jump like a room, but it's hard. Okay, Daddy, my piece is open right now. Let's see how many times you go in and steal.
Gotta protect the base, silly.
Baby, oh.
By the cutie over here. Oops.
Ano ka? Ano ka?
That super big blue dragon.
Kaya mo malapit na. Nagtatag-ulan na.
Alis na yan kung big boy ka.
Oh my gosh, looks like I think I was just going for it.
Malapit na ulit magtaglamig.
Baby yung pagkamin.
Oh, bring that little closer to my base, and my base is gonna open soon.
Wait, Tyler, keep eating that stuff. Like, step away from your face.
Their base is open. Their base is open over there.
Everyone's
Sabi,
face is
Rafi.
1 year old, pinsan niya. Sinusundo ko siya umiiyak yung bata. Mahabol. Nilalaro siguro lagi ni Yumi.
Oh, it got stolen. No, my cedar.
May baby boy.
Yeah, Snowy. Oh my gosh, someone's stealing from me too. This is my grandma. Thanks for slapping up, Snowy. But I guess that's fair that my cedar got stolen, considering I stole it.
Bigyan mo na kasing kapatid si Yumi.
What goes around comes around. And you know what they say, Snowy? There's plenty of fish in the sea.
Well, guys, we're gonna be stealing fish all night long.
Paano yun? Araw-araw ba naman yung may puntahan sa bahay? Kaya nga.
Right now.
And like the video if you haven't already. Bye!
See ya! Bye-bye!
Naano na yung bata sa kanya. One-year-old pa lang, no? Mahabal na.
Mao si JM ma.
Pag-lobat gadgets niya.
Si JM wala nang luto. Sorry? Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Ah, what a beautiful day to ride!
Tyler, you've been in bed forever.
It's been like a month, Snowy.
Ew.
Ano na naman kayong dalawa?
Oh, it's my mom! Oh no!
Asot pusa eh.
Oh, Mom, come on! Can't you see I'm busy? Oh, look, Sally, she left my room. I don't want to have to get a job!
But Tyler, she said 4 hours. If you get
Ano
Oh,
ba?
look, Sally, she's probably gonna finally kick me out. Look how dirty my room is, guys. I am super lazy. I sit in bed all day, I watch TV, I eat bad chips, and oh gosh, Sally, I haven't smelled this laundry in a while. Because
Pero ano, safe naman dyan sa lugar niyo.
It's your mom to let you know.
Lalo't babae si Yumi.
Ooh, good idea, Sally. Let's talk to her. Oh, she does not.
Safe naman dyan sa lugar niyo.
Still getting here? I thought I told you to go get a job.
You guys can act like I don't know.
Wala naman loko-loko dyan.
Ayaw ko mamalap.
Bakit?
Kuya Boss. I wanna egg now.
Kaya mo talaga ng ulam na ta?
Opo. Kuya Batman.
Good job. I do not want to get a job. Okay, Sally, it looks like there's a place right across the street. Okay, from here, at least it'll be really easy to just walk over here. Let's talk to this guy. What? No.
Ano?
It's me.
Yes, Sally, I still need a job.
Ayan.
Job, please. No, get lost.
Mao si JM ma.
I thought that was going to be a sure thing.
Tyler, that would be so convenient.
Hey, look, Sally, there's a restaurant over here. Maybe I can work at this restaurant. That would be kind of fun. What is up, my man? I can say please job or it's kind of empty in here. Wait,
Pag
no,
na ano
it's
yan,
not empty in here. I'm gonna
Mao
say
si
it's
JM.
Oh yeah, I guess that's true. That would be super boring. There'd never be anyone there. I wonder what my other options are. Wait a second. I think my dad. If my mom thinks I'm dead, I'll never have to get a job.
Oh, Kuya
Let's do
Big.
it.
Sige.
Time to show off my
Mom,
amazing
Kuya Big isa.
skills.
Kuya.
Once I do this,
Ay, bili ka na ng egg mo. Egg ang gusto mo.
no responsibility.
Ah, bibilan.
May itlog pa ba sa taas? Tingnan mo nga. Kulang na ata. Isa na lang yata yun.
One.
Ha? Ay, kalabaw. Oh, bili.
bili
Itlog kapatid
ka.
mo. Lakad.
JM.
Wala daw Roblox.
Roblox? Wala daw Roblox.
Sige, ayun na.
Bili ka.
Mamalap.
Pag di ka bumiling egg, wala ka Roblox.
Mama, tiyo pa isa ko, ma. Matiro ako. Ini. This.
See ya tomorrow.
Say, pag di siya lalayo, lapit mga kalsada. Dito. Oy, Sir Ehem! Good, ano na ba? Good afternoon na pala. Kain tayo, Sir Ehem. Nagulat talaga kami sa pinsan niya nung di nasundo. School umuwi mag-isa. Buti din napapano sa daan. Galing school. 5 years old. Naglakad pag uwi. Hala! Tapos sa tawid po. Hala, ang galing naman nun.
Very good.
Dalawa na binili. Doon sa may, saglit lang bebe, sa may bungad. Meron din mga naka-display doon. May ganyan doon.
Ang masakit.
Bungad. Sa may bungad. Katabi ng lobo. Happy lunch, folks. No ulam. Tinola, sir. Nagtinola po ako.
Ala, masakit. PM Dora. PM Dora. Sumbak nila may remote.
Then,
Diyan na toilet. Diyan na toilet. Diyan na toilet. Diyan na toilet.
tingin mo.
Big girl na siya. Ha? Yes. 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 Okay. Okay na. Sige, toilet. Diyan mo na toilet.
Dup, dup,
Yes. Yes.
yep,
Yes.
yep,
Yes.
yep, yep.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Ayan na lang.
Ew.
Diyan, ew.
Yeah.
Ah,
Di mo pipipig.
Diyan pa mo, pig? Ayun si Diyan yung pig.
Dalawa.
Yeah.
Ay, suwate.
But their stories, not so much.
It's a time.
Well, Megan has twins, some shocking things. She can't take care of both of them. So she makes a brutal decision. She chooses and with her is completely abandoned without her. Without little panda doesn't stand a chance. It's the harsh reality of nature. Number 2, the heart seal.
Wait lang.
It's promiscuous, completely
Nabisi ako
defenseless.
sa...
But it's wrong with something
Chat ko
incredible.
kasi bilas ko. May pinapabili ako sa complex.
Did you know that these birds have survival strategies that might seem like psychopathic behavior to us? First, the one story.
Ulang, ganyan. Ay, ito naman.
The starvation and death. In such situations, she sometimes drops or kills the baby's chick with Sarah. By sacrificing the weakest chick, or anything remains, she has a much better chance of survival. It's the white short story. This bird almost always lays 2 eggs more than 9 days apart. The first egg hatch is larger and stronger.
Ayan, ano? Sira yung remote DM.
Wishes need to roll to them with cigarettes. The market doesn't stop this because it will happen. Food is often scarce and keeping 2 chicks at once becomes starvation and finally, this bird doesn't build its own nest to raise its chicks. Instead, it sneaks into another bird's nest and drops one egg lays its own and then leaves. Nest owners don't notice anything unusual because the cuckoo eggs are so similar to their own. Problems arise when the cuckoo eggs hatch. Unexpectedly, the blind and featherless cuckoo chicks will push other eggs or chicks out of the nest until only they themselves are left content. As a result, the nest owner are unaware of their feeds and cares for the cuckoo chick. They're child killer. Did you know that these birds have survival strategies that might seem like such
Aray.
Charmies.
No.
Hey.
Fuck. Yung fuck. Yeah, yung fuck. Oh.
Ako? Ducks, goose, kuya, Barbie. Egg, 1 egg, 2 eggs. Where's your mama? She missed you. So, duck. The story's gonna be on the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Oh no. Oh, ganda.
Barbie.
Get up, Baba. All right, get up. Take off.
Okay, go. Bye-bye.
All right, tell your boy.
We're missing something.
Colors and egg. Ulam na JM. Egg.
Hey,
Ilapit yan kasi kakain ka. Tag dalawa. Dalawa ng surprise. Tapos isa yan. Ay, si Janeline! Thank you, 3 months. Wow, 3 months man ako. O, magkakautang ako sa iyo nito. Subuan naman kita, bis.
okay. Kaya,
Nagluto kasi akong ulam ng isa. Ayaw niya ng tinola na naman. May tinola naman, egg pa rin ang gusto. Shout out sa mga tao dito. Wala pa man sinsaya. Ay, sis May. Good evening. Ay, good afternoon. Good afternoon na pala. 12 na pala. Kain tayo. Kain. Sorry naman, sis Gigi. Ano tong bunso ko? May ulam na eh. May tinola na kami. Ayaw niya. Gusto yung itlog na naman.
Ma, ako din. Ma, ako din. Ano ko? Yung nilagay. Ma, yung kapap. Helicopter.
Ano, nagka-helicopter dyan sa lalamunan.
Helicopter! Helicopter!
Thank you, sis May. Janeline, salamat. Lakas naman ng cellphone mo. Alam mo, hindi mo na naman gamitin yung salamin mo. 48, 80, 48, 48, 96 plus 80. 170, 180.
Tres, ito sa is. I like my you like it?
Abig mo. Yellow, yellow.
Hey, what happened? I want to sleep. What do you want?
Every night, every day, waiting for you. Ah,
House is lady. I'm just
dapat siguro kayo ibalik mo na yung dati. Nagkakain ka ng bahaw. At tumaba ka. Mag-iiwanan ka na ni JM. Pauwi na siguro si ate girl.
Ha?
Pauwi na siguro si ate girl mo. Hindi na dumaan dito. Ay, thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Yes, kusog na naman. Thank you, Lord.
Wala. Ha? Mami, tatulong ang kamsa. Ma, punta.
Pag may pagkain ka, sabihin mo, thank you Lord for this food.
Saan ko papatulog spice?
Hmm?
Sabon.
Minute. Nalapit na mag-aral si JM. Mag-i-school na ulit siya.
Ah.
Yapi, yapi, yapi.
Well, excited. Gusto mo naman mag-school ulit, na? Yay, magbabait ka na sa school, ha? Huwag ka na pasaway sa teacher, ha? Kasi yung teacher mo, baby, may baby dito sa Tami, yung teacher mo. Kaya dapat huwag kang makulit.
Na, wala akong mga apa. Apa? Apa ba?
Butas. Butas.
Apa?
Teacher, ano ba pangalan? Nalimutan ko.
Ma?
Nalimutan ko yung pangalan. Ay, mag-iiyak pa kaya sa grade 1.
Maybe yes.
Eh, Ron, ayusin mo na higaan mo. Shh. Itiklop mo na yan. Okay. Okay. Kuku. Ay. Hindi alam, may mix na ba? Kano ba ang lato-lato sa school Aaron? 10? 15? Kano ang lato-lato sa school? Okay. Congratulations. Celebration. play ng Frosty.
Do you want the house? Yes, I do. Okay, let's go. What about pizza? It's too small. It's too big. This one. It's too expensive. Hotdog ako ma. Kasi hotdog. You can build your own house. Wow, it's cool. Oh, idea. Hi, Mario.
Believe I can fly. I believe I
Can you
can
help me to
touch
build
the
the house?
Yes, no problem.
Yeah.
Alas. Busog ka na? Subig na naman tami mo.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Guys, bye-bye.
Okay.
Ay, patayin na naman. Ay! Patayin mo lang.
Scary too. I don't know if you've ever seen this high definition. This is weird. Okay. We're gonna film one reaction like this and see how we like it. But yeah, scary TikToks. So really, this is a little too close. I'm not gonna. Let's start the first one, scary TikTok, and see how this goes. Spanish. What? I'm not gonna lie, it's a little. Look, same shirt, same hair. Well, I'll see you next time. Because I'm sorry, we got it. I always liked it, but okay, that's better. How we good, man? How you guys do it today? It's time to get started. There's more to this video. I think this is all doppelganger.
I don't know what they're saying. If you guys know what they're saying, let me know. What's this video about? Wait, I've seen this clip. I think these two friends knew that this was about them and not the real friend or whatever. I think I've seen this clip, but obviously there's no context because I don't know what they're saying in Spanish. But anyways, we're moving on to the next clip. Brady doesn't sound doppelganger. I feel like I've been on time on doppelganger. Curious doppelganger, let's see. It's just all of my video. Pick a door. Okay. They always want you to pick the one that says secure. I think I'm going red door. Even though the creepy guy's there, I'm going red door. You guys are blue door, okay? So let's see what it is. Oh, okay. Okay, it's a little creepy for sure.
Oh, wala. Taba mo na, hindi ka nakasita. Bakit? Wala ka na si Ayesha.
Okay, so this is your guys' job for the next 24 hours. Sorry, good luck. The crimson
Uy, ka nga pala. Eh, girl si Ayesha.
You'll see it fast. The $1 Okay, that would be kind of satisfying,
Pa,
Meron ka nung pinabenta naman ko.
red? Red?
Ay, mag-order.
Red.
Much better job. Sorry, that was cool. That was Oh, it's zooming in. Wait. Let's go back and see if we can see it from the first original image. Okay, here we go. What am I looking for? It's like a nice, happy family. Is that Zendaya? Zendaya has 3 kids. Didn't even know that. I'm not gonna lie. This is like a nice house. What am I looking for? Okay, we're just gonna let it zoom in. I have no idea. Zoom in.
Bibili tayo. Hello!
That's so edited.
Hala naman tayo.
Funny. Nice picture, buddy. Nice edit. Good job. Now, moving on. The scary fact, this audio... Mazziato first. This audio was made by a police officer screaming because a woman went to a child in a police station and the child froze, so the officer attempted to use CPR, but his hands went straight.
Lights pala. Bibili ako na. Red lights.
No.
Saan to bayad, Aaron?
Okay, let's listen to the audio. You can skip if you do not want to listen to this. This is okay. I don't even know if this is real, but let's listen to it. It's from Julian Friends. Oh, what's this game? Wait, I'm in that game. I'm in Julian Friends. Wait, what? Julian Friends, I didn't know. Let's see it. So it is from Julian Friends. Okay, wait, guys, I'm in Julian Friends. The game gives you a QR code, and you scan that, and I'm in the game. So, anyways, that's weird. That actually is weird. Moving on. What does that mean? Translate it, please. Translation. You can see it the first time. Let's see. Wait, what is it? Happy
Dahil ka talagang mangyari.
I'll give you a couple seconds. Do you see it yet? That's crazy. What the heck happened there, bro? Okay, I'll show you. 3, 2, 1. Boom. There is a body outline. The ceiling. What? How the heck? Oh, that is so freaky, bro. That is so freaky. Put on this girl captured something creepy in this video. After watching it,
Nang bihapon, nas nasa salamin.
she noticed that the family driving in their car. Is that not that looks pretty
Hey.
It looks like a fake person, like a stuffed doll or something, and they try to like eyes wide open is a sign of death. This guy's saying in the comments. 100,000 likes. Yo, what? That looks so weird. What is with their eye, bro? It's like a golden. Is that edited? Ooh, we have another one of these now. Every single time I pick the one that looks more scary, it's always good. So I'm gonna pick blue slide. You guys are red slide. Here we go. I know this is one.
Why did you determine your fate?
70 hours. Okay, this is you guys. This is you guys. This would be a 5, bro. This would be a 5 for like pictures. Such a picture. You can take it.
You're not alone. A watcher in the pale, yellow-figured, rain-patterned black room slowly crawls up the inside.
Sorry.
Okay. It's not terrible. You have to be there for 70 hours.
Pero pinapatiklop na yung kanina pa eh.
Here we go.
Ha? Eh, laki ng pet. Eh, laki ng pet.
So cool.
There is no cashier, but a shelter for these dogs every
When you're next to me, I can see the greatest stories.
Yeah, I always put a demon on the side that they, like, come on, bro. It's just so
Tabi-tabi tayo mag-design,
sorry, you have
display.
to set the abandoned water park.
Para meron tayo magbentang bago. Alas, be!
Using my son, she was lying on a bed with her son when they heard a voice that sounded exactly like the one that she just dropped off at another house. The voice was acting weird, and they heard intensive knocking on the door or sounds of trying to open it, so they took out their phones and captured something terrifying. You can hear that it's a
Inat!
This is why you shouldn't talk to him. Watch what happens next.
Yes!
Meron kayong bago?
Yes, yung kahapon, yung labugo. Ang ganda. Tama?
Papel,
Why?
Mama, ikaw ang stop.
No, JM.
One now.
Isa, umalis ka dyan.
One now.
Umalis ka dyan.
Oh, one now.
Umalis ka dyan. Alis dyan, papasukin niya si Temple. Be, ilan sa'yo, Be?
Eh, wala.
Ala. Thank you.
Stay away, bro.
Please,
Oo nga.
please.
Ikaw naman.
Please.
Pero ang what?
Ano ang one mouth?
Yung rap, hihiramin mo, babalik mo pag
One now.
Hindi pwedeng hinihiram yan, Be. Ah. Hindi ka. Hiram agad.
Ah, Tele.
Ay, si Kuya, maraming money si Kuya.
Ayun ka.
Hindi.
Ah!
Wala ko yung pera.
kuya, maraming pera pero madamot siya. Diba? Madamot siya.
This is freaky. This is really phasmophobia.
Hi!
Hindi ako malagandi.
Ha?
Maparang torte.
Oo. Ka-branch yun nung doon sa, di ba doon sa may ano? Sa may highway na. Oo.
Bala pa.
Kaya,
Doon siya kumuha eh. Oh.
ay. Ano saya? Ay, talaga naman, matalino.
Pabili po. Sorry.
Oh my god, that's freaky.
Ito ma.
Ay, ito na lang. Eh, dito ka, oh.
Why? Why ma? Ito ang ganda.
Pag yung iba wala pinag-speak ko pa doon eh. Yung iba sabi sobrang gaan wala na ito na.
Di yan. Pagkat yan.
Fight din yan.
Pili, alin gusto mo?
Ano yung iba? Ano naman yung iba?
Ayoko yan.
Kita naman eh.
Editing?
Ay mga ano. Crazy. Lollipop ako.
Surprise din nila yan. Sabi mo na
Kasi
lang.
lang mo. Ano ba yung mo?
Ito.
O, kuha na. Bayad mo.
Ay, bayad ka.
Ay, wag yan din.
Pili ka.
Wag yan, wag yan.
Guys, what is
Balik mo
that?
to dali.
What is it? That's freaky. Could just be editing now. It kind of looks like it's editing a bit. Like, look. Did you see that? Yeah, I don't know.
Yan.
I accidentally knocked over and broke one of my mom's stones and realized it looked
Why?
like something was inside. Dad decided to break it more so we could see what it was.
Inside the snowman?
Why does it look like that? What is it?
Is that one of those M&M guys?
Hindi ko alam ano laman yan, ha. Ina?
Hello, please.
Parang maulan.
Lobo nga.
Dilim na ma.
Lobo.
Bigyan mo sa kanya.
150,000 rate.
Gusto niya yan.
Every motherfucker ended up in here.
Ay!
There's not
Oh!
this on for her funny video. And some fun outside.
Happy birthday!
And he's right, because this is what's known as home.
Nabigyan ni ma.
Magkano to na? 55. Ah, sisi patuloy ako.
Nabigyan ni ma.
It's a big ball that goes,
Sinet,
you just caught it.
Tingnan mo.
Yeah.
parang minura na ako.
Hello.
Oh, happy birthday!
Kailan birthday mo? Ngayon. Birthday mo ngayon.
Asan ba ang wallet ni Mama?
Birthday niya daw.
May happy birthday. Ay, happy birthday.
Did he do it? Did he do it? Did he do it? He's almost-
Napahamak tuloy yung...
Oh my god. It must be so
Napahamak tuloy yung ano ko.
dude. What?
Ha? Napagastos pa tuloy ako.
Crazy. Actually, we're not even gonna be able to
Bye.
I don't it's so
Yung girl, GL.
Oh, this is
Bahala ka dyan. Kung ano pili mo.
Ikaw pili. Surprise nga. Ayun. Talaga surprise.
I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all.
Bigla kang mag-birthday. Asan may iba kang ano?
Ito, parang car ito, oh.
It's a forever anime.
Parang.
Huwag mo nang piliin.
ASMR.
Ha?
That's bad for your teeth. That's bad for your teeth. Don't be doing that.
Oh, last na yan ha. Hoy, huwag mo na open. Last na yan ha. Usapan yan ha.
2 weeks ago, and I think something
Ah, balloon.
Tara, natin.
cold.
Ikaw mali.
Tara.
Film alone and you hear them cold.
Oh, hindi doon na bayad.
Ano ito ma?
May ballpen pa, ma.
Bulpi na ganyan.
Ayun, yung gano'n sa kamay.
Mahal. Wala na.
yan?
You just gotta
Kaya
believe,
nga
bro.
ba?
Barbie?
You're done for.
Yun
But,
lang
like,
naman.
at least you'll know.
Ay, sa Barbie?
Sticker. Ilagay
Ay,
ko.
pa. Mali yata yung lalagyan ng ano.
Could be nice, maybe.
Dapat sa baba.
Barbie?
Palagyan mo yung sticker sa kanya. Para ma-enjoy niya naman.
Ayoko yan, Barbie.
Ang dami pala doon. Ano?
Oo.
Ibang with another door one. See what happens. I'm gonna pick the red door.
Ate, what is
Because,
that?
well, there's something coming from the red door, so that's how you know. You pick it. Pick a door.
Wait
You
lang
guys are
tayo.
blue.
Ma.
Good luck. The door.
Maganda.
Ma, naman putik yan.
Hindi mo na ako gano'n sa may...
Ayun, kasi may dikit ka sa ikot mo.
Oh no.
May bangs ka kasi.
Oh no.
Pag doon kasi sa may highway, ang layo pa ng lalakarin mo pag gusto mo pang
Ayoko yan,
mag-walk.
Barbie. Ano sa tayo?
And notice an empty chair or an unoccupied bed where someone should be. Leave immediately.
What? Okay.
You encounter the tall, shadow black figure running the corridor. Do not approach. Do not speak. Do not acknowledge presence.
Ay, may labas. Baka yung pinapalobo, yung mga ganun.
Ay, ano eh? Ako yun? Tinanong ko pa nila.
Kuya! Sabi namin
Bakit wala naman nila?
Then,
Tatabi ko nga mo.
Barbie!
Sabi ko nga, kung magkano ang benta niya sa school. Okay? Kasi kung pwede, isang ganun na natin.
Sabi ni Kuya!
Ilan lang ata yung kailan ulan?
Mama!
eh, pa
Mama, what's the Barbie kanyan?
So Barbie, tama na. Nakaten ka na sa akin. Oo, usapan last na yon, ha?
Hey!
Papel. Ano? Ano ba? Ah, bili kaya. Ha? Back? 5.
Hello! Birthday! Happy birthday!
Ilan? Ano lang? Ayan lang?
Mami ko! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ma.
Ma! Ma! Hindi, Ma! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ay, dili ko pa po. Makaya.
birthday, ulo.
Space.
Okay, we gotta go to the hospital. I see it. Look on the hills and Bridge. OMG, I saw a crocodile from one piece in the sand with the sand-free house. Yeah, it's a sand plane. The snow or something, there is nothing there. Desert, worm, I don't see it. So, white sands in New Mexico, of course. It looks like some kind of forest or something. Saw a man on the left side who just screamed near the guy's elbow. What's this?
Happy birthday, JM.
There's nothing, man.
Sana all birthday.
Honestly, nothing. I don't know, though. Maybe I'm stupid, but guys, yeah, whatever. There was one more of these. Come on, let's do it. I'm going to get this thing. Forget it. You guys are good. You guys are good. I'm ready.
Kawa yung mga batang
Okay. So this is you guys before.
side of look to your eyes.
Happy birthday, JL.
Kano ko lang? 406.
You guys did that one. On his private jet after winning the freaking Super Bowl. Is there the next picture? That is something's working. That's Santa. We got Santa's holding his glass all covered with banks of glass below the glass. Banks of glass below. This is the second photo.
460 by
It's not math.
260.
It's people there
Ay.
that says the bottom math is code system.
Ay, ba't di ba?
It goes correlated to, yeah.
146 ang utang ko. Yung basura naman. Tingin nga ng sticker mo, baby. Maliliit. Lagay mo doon, dito.
Ayaw tayo.
Sige, kantahan mo na.
JL. Happy birthday, JL. Para ka na sumunod sa soto.
Malaki pa yan sa kanya. Bigay ni Tita MC nung nakaraan lang eh. Biglang hindi nakasya. 146.
Huwag naman lang yung katawan, JL.
Balik tayo.
Happy birthday, JL. Patingin na mo ang birthday ko. Ay, JL, patingin. Ito lang talaga ang dami. Isa ito? Pero pag may nakakuha lang dito, ako na lang kayo.
146. Ang kulang pa. Thank you.
Happy birthday, JM!
I-advance mo na yung birthday mo. Yan ang nakuha mo. Kain na, Rose. Saan ka ba galing? Sa Nisin? Saan ka nagdala?
Sa agency. Ako bahay. Mabrigada kayo? Oh, may mga nila kami.
Oh.
Minsan, Happy birthday.
Why does it look like that?
Biglang birthday siya. Bigla ang birthday. Ano ba?
May balloon. May balloon siya. May mga nakalagay pala ate. May tattoo. May Ay, nakalagay pala.
I would not.
To tattoo. Ah,
I mean, it's gotta be out.
ay, nakalagay na siya.
Like, yeah, I was headed for like $10,000.
Bigay mo to kay Ate Shabi, oh. Tutuwa yun dito. Sticker.
Stop walking. You're not walking alone.
Oh.
I fret. Well, I'm walking alone, so I'm an idiot.
Pakita mo siya ko, chicken. Yes, pakita mo siya.
No way. No way.
Sige, mapusok ko siya.
Oh, you're dead. You're dead.
Ah?
Buddy.
Kaya JM, ah?
She's so dead.
Ano yan, Royson?
What? The face. The door
Ay,
opens.
napakita yung malaki dyan.
Turn.
Ay, napakita. Ay, wala ka nito.
So much happened in that video. That's freaking insane.
Wala ka dalawa. Ay, malaki din yung picture na dito, Joseph. Wala makapatid dito, Joseph.
Ala, mas malaki yun.
Everybody in here.
Napakita din dito, Joseph. Yung kanyang dyan.
No.
Ay, may pin.
Little Timmy.
Baby daw yan. Yan sa'yo. Snake. Snake ka. Ay, snake kita.
I know it's funny here with
Parang
all
wala
the
ka nga yung cellphone.
cream.
Palalobot niya.
Babat sa pala.
So creepy. Oh, that's not. I have to get in there. I mean, it could be a ghost.
Mag-ano kayo?
This is a long day.
Ay,
Oh,
naku.
I'm mysterious. At least it's broad day.
Sa may,
It is
ano,
nighttime.
sa may
So much worse. There's no doctor.
kantin.
You just call it this
Kantin,
daytime.
kabilang ano, pangalawa sa
I've actually played with Ouija boards before.
motor ba yun? Parang wala na kagawin.
Matikit ka!
I was just thinking.
Yung may ano, may gate. Yung pinto.
Is it? Throw her outside. Oh my God.
Ha?
It was so smooth. So smooth. That'll be great. Oh my God.
Mama! Matikit ma. Mama! Mama! Ano ba? Tikit na.
Ito, dikit.
Hindi yan.
Bakit?
Ako siya yun.
Ang girl. Sabi ko, ibigay mo to kay Aki siya eh. Natuwa na ako. Dinikit ko na lang
My
din.
kitten, happy birthday. Sira. Ate mama.
Oh, kanta na, kanta na. Go, kanta.
Ate mo masira ma.
Ay,
Tayan.
masira. Tinaayusin natin.
Mapunta kayo doon mamaya, be?
Ako punta.
Saan? To the moon. Punta ka to the moon? Hindi.
This was all live.
Hindi ako sama.
Live. Every corner.
To the moon, to the left, to the right.
Space wire, right? We're good. Everybody happy with that? I think so. Yeah. Okay. I believe you. Maybe. Nothing.
Oh,
Nothing. Like this.
birthday.
Nagbabasa daw si Raizel. Hindi mo yata yung napagbasa na.
Oh guys, this goes. It's about to possess me. Tina, thanks for the 500 flowers. This goes.
Nandun yata si Tita Babe. Pumunta na kayo ngayon. Ano ko?
Jonathan didn't have to give me 3
Ulan!
concerts.
Sabi mo, ligo na.
Ligo na. Amigo ako, TM.
Instantly ruined the mood. Say,
Naulan nga, ne.
that is a little spooky. That is a little spooky.
And,
Naulan nga.
Hospital food, is that what that
Ako
is?
sa pansulan.
Tama ka sa pawis mo.
Wait lang, ulan!
It's a dog sleep.
Abak na to? Yung pogi.
Pagupit lang yan, eh.
Dito, oh. Pogi,
I think this is a hospital.
Pagupit lang yan, pero haron ulit.
Gusto mo yan? Gusto mo yung may ano dito?
Ay,
Yung
super.
dito yung pitay,
Legendary
tapos
life.
ano?
My soul left my body.
Pag ganon. Pogi. Ano?
Maybe it's your top.
Sabi niya, sira na.
What is this?
Ha? Ma! Ma! Tikit na! Parang ano ba?
Hapon.
Pakapon? Pangumaga sa eron?
My soul would leave my body.
Tikit
You're
na po
saying
yung
the same thing.
Lagot
Would you
ka.
freeze or run in this situation? So let's see. Right. Whoa, it looked like they were gliding. Or they have like wings or something.
Ay, si Jay.
And it's
Kuya.
not,
Ah,
it's
si
not
kuya
that
mo?
scary when a ghost
Pagit ka?
is wearing heels. I don't know.
Ay,
I mean, that would definitely.
Kuya! Sino pogi? Ah, si kuya. Sino pogi?
I don't think it's that scary if the word heels.
Kuya. Ah, si kuya din?
Heels on.
Ay, ano?
You're a monster, Babalia. Oh, yeah, I've seen it.
Ano na?
Oh, that
One lang na
is so.
One lang.
Just come out at the same time.
One
All
lang.
right. You don't want the
Nagpagupit na
line.
siya. Ikaw, kailan ka magpapagupit? Yeah, takot. Kailan ka
I know
magpapagupit?
you're out there.
Kalbo daw. Ha? Oo. Kalbo na daw ngayon ang pagpapagupit. Na pwede niyo may therapy. Mama! Alam mo yung kalbo? Uy,
Gusto
alam
mo kalbo, bebe?
Alam mo yung kalbo? Mama, tikit na.
Gusto mo kalbo?
Uy, Mama, kalbo? Tikit na.
Gusto mo ba ng kalbo?
Kalbo?
Opo.
Apa? Gusto mo yung wala
Yung
na
walang
hair?
buhok?
Wala na, gusto yung hair mo.
Gusto mo nun?
Aray ko. Yes.
Gusto yung hair. Tanggalin mo yung hair mo.
Ano?
Oh, yan. Lumikit na. Pati sa buhok.
Yeah.
Ito, tanggalin mo yung buhok mo. Gusto mo yan? Gusto mo?
Gusto mo kalbo? Gusto mo kalbo, be? Ayoko po. Oh, ang cute na, Jay, eh. Sayang 100 natin pag kalbo, ano, be? Ang bilis-bilis gawin nun. Ganda na. Give mo kay, yes. Ganda yun.
Ate mo, tikit. Alam mo! Mama, tikit na. Ito.
Ito na.
Oh my god, your soul would leave your body. I get it. I was just trying to take it back and yeah.
Ayan
Okay.
pala.
Climb it up
Ito
the
lang yun,
faucet.
Michelle.
Oh, it's not even a faucet. It's just carrying fish. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't bad. Never saw you far in the middle of
Kaya ate bang kulturo?
Hindi ka pa nagagawa.
Is it alive?
Ate mo! Tikit na.
Dala. Loving you. Ba't na cellphone ka?
Ay, makulan. Naligo ka na? Naligo ka na?
Papa. Doon sa dulo. Ah. Stop. Ba't wala ba dito sa atin? Ewan. Sabi natin, antayin daw yung ano eh. Yung post, yung announcement. Sabi nung nagbigay, sabi ko, di ba may, sabi ko nga, di ba may post na sabi niya, hindi pang arwan lang yon. Sabi niya.
Eh, ang ano, merkado, kabat linggo.
Sabi natin, antayin daw yung post na yung schedule.
Yun na yun.
Ito ako.
Ang nakaraan, ano, merkado tayo.
Hindi nandiyan lang sila sa ano
Nakakaraan. bago itong last year. Last year dito, ganyan ito. Nakakaan. Barangay tayo
On August of 2041, Satan's cousin, Ralph
Ang layo naman.
Mga masahin mo.
Oo. Ilan ba nakuha mong star? Oo, isa lang din sa
Kasi isang bahay sa
sa R1. Ngayon sa R1. Tama doon pumunta doon.
Alisin mo, gano'n,
may motor.
Ay, sa barangay naman yata. Kahit anong oras. Hapon lang. Pag may kasabay ka dyan. Sabay mo na ako.
I didn't see anything there.
So, yung notebook, pabigay ng sangguniang kabataan.
YouTube channel in March 2012. The couple in the video explained that they
Ayan din yun. Sampo ba yun o 8? Binibigay. Pero nabilang ko na yan ng notebook sa iyo. Tatabi ko lang at magagamit pa rin naman yan yung next lang. Sige, ang ano yun ngayon, yung mga nakaraan pa yan. Tinabi ko lang yung writing niya. Nagdagdag lang akong 2. Ay, 3 yata. Sila Jay, ang writing pang gamit hanggang grade 3.
Yung normal na right. Oo. Yung maliliit.
Yung malalaki ang ano.
Writing 1. May 1 to 2 kasi.
Wala naman silang ano, basta writing lang. Ang importante lang naman dun yung red at ano eh. Ano lang aralin ng ano, bigla.
Unless the video is cut out, which it definitely looks like it is, the video suggests that it might have been an alien really
Saan ba? Napakadaming tao doon.
created breakdown. Stay inside when it's night. Like, this makes footage cost
Oh, sa barangay hall ka.
was rumored that a witch was living in one of those caves. So this person was one force that the
Ito. Dito, dito sa side na to. Sa dulo.
If you saw this in your cupboard, what would you do?
Ako mapahit. Dali, hawakan mo na.
Why is it so smelly?
Okay na, mama.
What am I looking at? What are you doing in there? Also, why is it so tiny?
Gawin mo natin itong pulpurado. Tapihin ko sa taas, nag-aantay.
Mermaid. What do they sound like? I'm gonna try. Something like that. Or like,
Sirena.
I don't know nothing. I don't know
Mama, malamal basta.
lies.
Ha?
Mas
You lie.
nakaswasya.
Some people are gonna be real confused on why I said proper there, but some of you will not.
Bigyan mo yung kay Akisha.
Okay, I definitely hear like
Ibigay mo yan?
I don't hear like
Hala.
freaking girl talking.
Busy pa ata si tita mo.
Ano ma?
Oy ka. Nagpagawa akong pangalan ni JM eh.
Ah!
Bye!